Hello and welcome in our third lecture of Java tutorial series. Today we are going to install Eclipse 2020-03. So to install Eclipse IDE for Java, we have to open our web browser and we have to type the address of the installer on the address bar. The link of this address is given in the description of this video. So we have to type this address and we have to press enter. This will display the web page. Here we are going to install 2020-03 Eclipse IDE. So we have to click on download. I'm using this Windows 64-bit, so I have to click on this download 64-bit. So when you click on this download, here are the mirror is there. This downloads is from the China. If you want to change this mirror, you can click here on select another mirror. So you can click there and you can choose any one mirror from various countries. I'm going to select this. So as soon as you click on the mirror, the file, or we can say that it is exe, dialog box is asking you that would you like to save this file. So we have to save this file. And the download is completed. So we have to open this downloaded file so that we can install the Eclipse on the system. And this Eclipse installer is started. This Eclipse installer, we will in this Eclipse installer we can install all these IDEs for various development purposes. To develop Java applications, we just click on this first option on the Eclipse installer, that is Eclipse IDE for Java developer, the essential tool for any Java developer, including a Java IDE, a Git client, XML editor. We have to click on this. When we click on this IDE for Java developer. It shows that the JDK version that already present in this computer or in this system, so it shows that here. And the installation of this Eclipse is going on this users/admin/eclipse/java. So if you want to keep this installation folder, you can. If you want to change it, then you have to select another folder, but for now I will leave it as it. Here are the check boxes: create a start menu entry and create a desktop shortcuts, and click on the install. This is installing. And this completes the installation. After complete installation, we have to click on this launch button. After clicking on this launch button, the Eclipse IDE will open in front of you. Before the Eclipse IDE is open, it asking the directory for the workspace. Eclipse IDE uses the workspace directory to store its preference and development artifacts. So if you want to change this workspace directory, you can click on browse. I want to leave it as, so I have to click on the launch button, and this the Eclipse IDE. Now after starting this Eclipse IDE, we have to run our first program. So for that we have to go at the file, and in file menu we have to click on new. In new we have to choose Java project, and this new Java project window is appear in front of you, and you have to name that project. So this is our first project, so we write here first row. After setting this name, we have to set Java runtime environment. We here choose that use default JRE. Okay, then the project layout, we create separate file folders for source and class files, and we click on the finish. After this we have to create the widget it as, and press create. Okay, now you can see that here in a package explorer, the first row is our name of the project, and this is the Java runtime environment system library. This is source folder, and this is module info. So what we need to do here is we have to create a new package, and the source folder first/src, and we have to create we have to give the name for this package. First row. You have to click and finish. Okay, here the package info.java, the first row. So we have to create a new class. And the Java class, and Java class for the first pro is the name of our Java class. We have to click on the public static void main string args. I have to click on finish. After creating this, you will get this package first row, public class first row, public static void main string args. Here we have to type our code. So we start system.out.print in a bracket, double quotation, my first project. You can see here, you can write it as 2 println. Click on the run as a Java application. Okay, this will give our output here, my first project. In this console window you can see this my first project. So if you want to change this message, you can change it. Welcome in Java. Okay, and then you have to run as a Java application. So when we click on the run and run as Java application, this will give you the output, welcome in Java. So this is our first project. In this video we install the Java IDE, that is Eclipse 2020-03, and we run this first project of Java. And if you like this tutorial, please share, subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the notifications when we upload our new video on our YouTube channel. Thank you.